Today we talk about how can you enable the lock on your My Jewelry app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, you click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on the red lock. Just click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to the red lock. Just click in this sign. Then like you see, it's going to show for you like this. Here you add a code. So I'm going to add this code for example here. Then you add it again. Then here import your answer. So I'm going to adjust okay here like this. In here enter your email, then range confirm, then you click on down, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.